Let me do.
Come. Come look. What is that?
A lantern.
A lantern?
Mhm.
No, I can't even see you. Is that your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Did you just carve that pumpkin?
Yeah.
And you gutted it and got all the guts out?
Mhm.
Is it a cool pumpkin?
Yeah. Can I? Oh, really on home. Daddy, can you do that pumpkin?
You want to do the other ones?
Yeah.
Hey, let me turn the light on for 1 second. Hey, I can see you now.
Thank you. Did you see a pumpkin too?
I see the pumpkin. Yeah.
Pumpkin?
Look, I think your pumpkin has blood on it.
Blood?
You see it?
Yeah.
No, get out of this way. This way. You think your pumpkin has blood on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that cool?
Yeah. Look at my blood.
Yeah.
What's in there?
It's a candle.
Candle.
Yeah.
Let's get the
And you want to do these other pumpkins?
I want to do one more. Ow. That's so heavy.
Yeah, and the other one's pretty heavy too, huh?
What's this?
We should probably put that down. You say trick or treat?
Trick or treat!
Say happy Halloween, Grandma and Grandpa.